Hi, my name is Anya, and today I'll be talking about Daisy DeMelka. She was the second woman in South Africa to be hung while making a cheesecake with a strawberry sauce. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to press that notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'll be talking about the Daisy DeMelka case while making a no-bake cheesecake with a strawberry sauce. Disclaimer, I'm telling the case as I perceived it. I mean no disrespect to the victims or the victim's family. Let me know in the comments if I missed something about the case. Let's first get a brief background story. Daisy was born on the 1st of June 1886. She was one of 11 children. She enrolled at the Beria nursing home in Durban. On one of her holidays in Rhodesia, which is known as Zimbabwe today, this is where she met her first fiancé, a Mr. Fuller. However, he contracted black water fever and passed away shortly after. He had left her £100. 18 months after Mr. Fuller's death, she married her first husband, William. He was 36 at the time, while she was 23. He was a plumber in Johannesburg. She had 5 children with him, but unfortunately only one survived. On the 11th of January 1923 was when her killings began. She gave her husband some Epsom salt. This part is weird, because my Oma strongly believes in Epsom salt. If you have a headache, she'll give you Epsom salts. If you cut your finger while cooking, she'll give you Epsom salts. I don't know if this is an Afrikaans thing or what, but I find it very weird. What do you think about Epsom salts? Leave it in the comment section below. William started to feel unwell, so Daisy called a doctor to their home. And this doctor did not think it was anything serious. Later on, William was still feeling unwell, so Daisy called a second doctor. When the doctor arrived, William was foaming at the mouth, blue in the face, and screaming in agony if he was touched. He died later on that day. The doctor suspected that it was strychnine poisoning and refused to sign the death certificate. But when an autopsy was done, the death was certified to be chronic nephritis and cerebral hemorrhaging. Daisy inherited £1,795. Three years after her first husband's death, she married her second husband, Robert. He was 46 and a plumber. On October 1927, her second husband was in great agony and suffering from intense muscle spasms. After drinking a beer his wife gave him, he too passed away shortly after experiencing such pain. His death was certified as arteriosclerosis and cerebral hemorrhaging. No autopsy was performed. Daisy inherited £4,000 plus £560 from his pension fund. On the 21st of January, Daisy married her third and final husband, Mr. DeMelka. He too was also a plumber. I think she has a thing for plumbers. She did not kill her third husband, but she planned to kill her son from her first marriage. Now why would she kill her own son? People have speculated that Daisy only killed for financial gain, and with her son approaching 21, he would want some inheritance. Or others have speculated that she just did not like him, and that he was a disappointment to her. On the 2nd of March 1932, Rhodes, which is Daisy's son, started to feel unwell after drinking coffee from a flask that was prepared by his mother. Rhodes died the following day. The cause of death that was stated is that he died from cerebral malaria. Daisy received £100 in life insurance. After this, her crimes will start to face the light. One of her husband's brothers had been suspicious about Daisy, so he got a toxicology report. This report shows all types of toxins in the body. It was found that her first husband died of arsenic poisoning, and the coffee flask had traces of arsenic poisoning. Mrs. Daisy DeMalco was arrested and sentenced to death on the 30th of December 1933. When her sentence was said, reports stated that her face was whitened and all the strength seemed to have left her body. When asked if she had anything to say before she was hung, she said she did not kill her son. And that was the story of Daisy DeMalco. Tune in next week for another true crime story.